Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am here with a Kroger haul today. This is my last click list, my last free click list rather. I'm still gonna do click list, but it's my last free one. Many of you know I just started doing the click list and I've been enjoying it. So this is my last free one. They give you your first 3 for free. So this is my last free one. Although when I went on the website today to start the click list, put everything in my cart and do the process, they said that the click list is free for orders 35 and over. So $35 and over. So I don't know if that's going to be something new that they're doing all the time, or if this is just a special thing that they're doing for a limited time only. But it said free for orders $35 and over. So I'm hoping that they stick to that, because y'all, this will spoil you getting these groceries, not having to shop for them actually in store yourself. So anyway, let me get on into the haul. My total was $112.18 this time, and I got a lot of things on sale. I had some in-store coupons, the ones that you load onto your card, and then I had a couple of paper coupons. And then some of my items they were going to substitute, but I didn't want like that bird's eye. I had actually ordered bird's eye, the Normandy blend, but they didn't have it, so they were going to give me the bird's eye, but I told them I didn't want it. You guys, well, let me get into the haul and I'll tell you about how they upgrade you if they're out of something as well. All right, so back here I got some 2% milk, and I got 2 jumbo biscuits, and these Kroger brand biscuits, they are good. Now, some of the store brands, well, most of the store brands that Kroger's has is very good, very comparable to the brand name. So a lot of times, just to save a few extra coins, I just go ahead and get the the Kroger brand. The Kroger wavy potato chips, I got some of those. I had a coupon, 25% off, but 25 cents off. Slow down, Tracie, I'm going too fast. And I got some Alexia sweet potatoes. I love these, you all. In the air fryer, they are just delicious. You can put them in your oven too, but y'all know I have that air fryer, and that air fryer is a lifesaver. So I also have some extra crispy Ore-Ida French fries. It's the first time I've tried these. I like my fries crispy. And I got some sweet onions. I like the sweet onion. And I got, this is the bread that I eat most of the time. My family is still mostly on the white bread. I'm trying to bring them along, but still on the white bread. And I sometimes eat the white bread too. But I got this 9-grain seed and got 4 bananas. Now I did tell them to make sure that there was no green on it, and I see these have some green on it. So hopefully that was just because most of the bananas that they had in stock were green, because I put special instructions on there. I got 3 Honeycrisp apples, 2 sweet potatoes. I got 2 of the 100% orange juices, and no pulp. I do not like pulp. So I got 2 of those. I got this 100% grape juice. And you all, I love Welch's grape juice. And I went to get some today, and I hadn't gotten any in a while. And I usually get it when it's on sale, or I get the Ocean Spray when it's on sale or something. But went to get it today, and it was like $4.99 for a 64-ounce bottle, I believe it was. These are $1.49. So I had never tried them before, so I just got one. So I'll try to remember to let you all know how it tastes, but I got that. Hopefully it's good. Let's see, got a thing of peas and carrots. Like I said, the Normandy, the big frozen thing of Normandy blend vegetables, they were out of stock, and so I have to go somewhere and get some vegetables. Probably go to Sam's. Let's see, here's some Johnsonville original recipe link sausages, and got some butterfly shrimp. They're already made. You just have to warm them up either in your oven. I do them in the air fryer, so then they taste really good in there, and they're quick. Here I have this Idahoan potatoes. I had the free Kroger download, So I got those, and I have the Banquet Salisbury steaks, and I get these because the kids like them in a pinch. So if I'm not cooking anything big, or sometimes I make what do you call those, steak hoagies out of these too. They're good for those steak hoagies. Homemade steak hoagies. Just get you some mushrooms, your cheese, and your bread and whatever, and you can make a homemade steak hoagie right out of this, real easy. But the kids like these with rice and vegetables. So when I don't feel like cooking nothing big, this is good in a pinch. This, you guys, this Minute Maid rice, not Minute Maid, this Mini rice, I had ordered the Kroger brand. They did not have the Kroger brand in stock, so they upgraded me to this rice, and I only had to pay the price that I was going to pay for the Kroger brand. So that's a good little thing that they have. If they are out of what you want, they will substitute or upgrade you. So that's good. I had these turkey sausage, butterball turkey sausage, and I had a coupon. I think it was 50 cents off of one. So I got that. And I got 4 paper towels. They were on sale for 50 cents each. So that was a good price for those. These are the Kroger brand, this brand. And I got a lot of cheese. We go through a lot of shredded cheese here sometimes, making our own homemade little pizzas. And I put cheese on the asparagus, this Italian cheese. A lot of time I use Parmesan, but I just got Italian today. Kobe Jack I get for our sandwiches and different things. Oh, my sharp cheddar, I use that for my salads. So let's see, got that. I had coupons for those. The Johnsonville turkey patties, my husband likes those. Got some Blue Bonnet, over 99 cents. I got this on sale. I had a coupon for these. I think it was $1 off. I got some eggs, a dozen eggs. I got the thick cut bacon. I usually don't get thick cut. I get the regular cut, but when I was out visiting my son, he had some thick cut. They had some there at their house, so I liked it very much. So I got some here at home. Let's see. Y'all, these grapes are so good. I don't know if you all remember, but as of late, like I went a long time without getting grapes, the green grapes rather. I used to, get the red ones all the time because the green ones were not good. They were not sweet. But now they are sweet. It just makes you think, what are they doing to the crops? How are they crossbreeding and doing all of what they do? Because green grapes was not good a couple of years ago. So anyway, these are delicious. They taste about like candy. So I hope they still fairly healthy. I don't know what they've done to them, but they are so good. I'm gonna have to look into that. And I got green bell pepper and a red bell pepper. I got some bacon bits for my salad. Got some sweet and sour sauce because I do like a stir fry blend type thing. We had a dish down in Myrtle Beach when we went, and I was able to recreate it at home, and it's just delicious with this teriyaki sauce. And my husband likes it with the sweet and sour sauce. All right, you guys, this is a 24-ounce honey, and it's big. I don't know if you can see how big. This is not the regular size. This is a big thing of honey. I get I think it's a 16-ounce for like $3.99. Okay, they were out of those. They upgraded me to this for the same amount, for the same price. This is a big old thing of honey. So I'm glad about that. I am glad about that. So I'm very happy with their substitution policy. Let's see. I got some cream cheese, got some mushrooms, 2 lemons. I got some celery flakes. Let's see. I'm going to see what I can make with that. I think you can make that when you buy, was it gyros or euros? Those Italian euros? Not Italian, but those euros rather. And I think that tzatziki sauce, I believe, has celery flakes in it, if I'm not mistaken, or something. But anyway, I'm going to look into what I can put celery flakes in, and I'm thinking it's that, because I want to make some homemade euros. I have white sweet potatoes. I'm going to make one of those. consumed by itself as like a baked sweet potato, a baked white sweet potato. So I'm going to see how that tastes. Got 3 Honeycrisp apples, 2 limes, 2 crowns of broccoli. This is an avocado, it's 99¢. I got this is cilantro. I love cilantro. And I got parsley. Got some parsley, and I got this. Oh, I already said that. I have toothpaste. It was $1 off. I got sour cream. We go through a lot of sour cream because we some taco eating folks, and then I put sour cream, you know, and other stuff sometimes. So I got the big container this time. Let's see. I have celery, big old stalk of celery. It was $1.99. Got some green onion, 2 ears of corn right here, lettuce, and then I have these yogurts. They were 50 cents off of 5. And so I got 2 strawberries, 1 peach, 1 vanilla, and 1 cherry. And my husband puts those in his smoothies. All right, you guys. So I wanted to address the milk situation. Somebody had made a comment the other day when we made the smoothies, and I did that smoothie video, and someone was like, you never can tell someone's attitude with a comment or a text sometimes because of the punctuation or the non-punctuation or whatever. So what I wanted to comment about is that when I did the smoothie, when I did the almond milk video, and a lot of the things that I find out, I will share with you. And I am trying to get on a healthier journey, but because I present certain things does not mean that I'm going like totally vegan. Not as of yet. I don't know if I ever will or not. But as I find out things, I just like to share it with the people that watch me, and so you can get information and make your own, you know, decisions from what you learn. Sometimes I just share things because I don't know if people heard it on the news or not, or you know, if they know some of the things that I might come across. I just like to share it with people. And I did find out a lot of bad things about milk, and I shared that I was going to try to start drinking, you know, the almond milk, and I'm trying to get off the cow's milk, but I don't know how that's going to go, you all. I'm not totally off the cow's milk, but that's what I aspire to do. So if you see me with milk, or like someone saw me with yogurt products and they were like, ain't that milk? Ain't that still milk? And I'm like, yes. I never said I was not gonna, you know, be eating some things. You know, I'm human. I am trying out different things. So just bear with me. Just bear with me. If I have my favorites, so like my cookies that I make from homemade, or my Reese's candy, or whatever it is, and I love milk with it, I'm probably most likely still gonna drink some milk with it. I don't drink cow's milk as much as I used to. I went 2 weeks without it at all. And the last couple of weeks, I did drink it because I was out, you know, visiting with my son. And when I got home, I had it a couple times. But I am, you know, trying to cut it out as much as possible. I'm not going to be a regular drinker of it like I was. So I just wanted to explain that, because sometimes when you do things on your channel and people kind of assume this or think you mean this, and I am trying to eat healthier, and I am slowly trying to bring my family along, but it's not an overnight process. It will take a minute. So, so just want you all to know that. So, you know, I know some people are like, you know, what's going on? I thought you was just drinking this. Y'all, I didn't go cold turkey. Some people can go cold turkey. I'm not there yet, so you're going to see some milk here and there. And my family is not off milk. My family, I don't drink it as much, but my family still does. So anyway, that's that. I just wanted to address that. Anyway, I love you guys. And if you're new here, subscribe. Love to have you as part of the Tracie's Place family. And yeah, hit that notification bell. You'll see any videos I make right away. And yeah, I love you guys. Be blessed. And I'll see you next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.